Hello and welcome. So in the last video, we have seen some of the methods which are available to the strings in Python. And in this video, what we will do, we will see how we can use the variables in the strings. So let's start. So suppose we have variables of first name and last name. So I am doing first underscore name equals to John and last underscore name equals to Doe. Oh, okay. So these are two strings. Now what we want to do, we want to print. Uh, let's make a comment. We want to print the mm, the full name is John Doe. We want to print that. So how we can do that? So what we can do, you might be thinking, okay, we can add a print statement here, and then we can write the full name is John Doe, something like this. But the problem here is this John Doe is like kind of hard coded, and now if this first name got changed, then we have to change this one as well. So what we can do, we can just use this variable inside this string, so that whenever this variables are getting changed, then this string will be changed automatically. So how we can do that? To do that, we need to use something called an f string. Okay, now please make sure that your Python version is greater than 3.6. I believe that this was introduced after the Python version 3.6, and before that we had some different ways to do that. Now to see that, you can just see here in the VS Code, my Python version is 3.12.1, which is, I believe, the latest. So yeah, feel free to use any version greater than 3.6. Now what we can do, we can just insert an F here, and as you can see, like the editor is not complaining. And now what we can do, we can delete this one, and then we can um, use the curly brackets here, and we can use the first name, and then we can give a space and then last name, just like this one. Okay, now if I save and then if I run this, okay, so the full name is John Doe. Now like this is looking good, but the problem here is this print statement. I do not like that. I think if we can, we should be introducing a variable, and then we can print out that variable. So I can just control X that, like the cut that, and then I can use a variable which is called message, like super unique name, and then we can declare the message to this one, and then we can print out the message. Okay, and then save that, and then if we run this, then the full name is John Doe. But here you can see like this J and the D is in small letters, so we can use the methods which we have discussed in the previous video here as well. So we can use like the first name dot, then we can do the title, and again the last name dot, we can do the title. We can call the title methods in both of the cases, and then if we run this, now the full name is John Doe, which is being printed out. And now if I change it to like Jane, it doesn't matter, this statement will be changed accordingly. So if I do Jane Doe, then the full name is Jane Doe. So nice. So this is how we can use the variables inside the string in Python. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.